Okay guys, we finished emptying the vaults. Now it's time to go. Let's look at how to clean up at the sites. If you see any sludge on anything, wipe it off with a paper towel and spray it with Jig. Throw the paper towel into the pits. Next, put your tools back in the bin with the dirty ends inside. Shake and scrape any sludge on the sheets into the pits. Fold the plastic sheets so that the dirty surfaces touch each other and the outside is clean. When you replace the vault cover, be sure that it covers the vault properly, with no gaps that will allow flies and rats to carry germs out of the pits. Remember, never clean your protective clothing or tools using the household tap, bucket, or brushes, as germs will spread from these things to the home. Before you leave, go and tell the householder that you're finished. Tell her about any issues she should be aware of, any contamination, and so on. Explain that she can clean any surfaces with Jig if she is worried. Give her the health and hygiene education materials and go through them carefully. Always keep tools and equipment in their own bag or bin while in the vehicle or carrying them to the house so that they don't spread germs. Make sure bins full of sludge always have their lids on and are placed securely on the vehicle. Never place the empty bins inside of each other, as the bottom of the inside bin will later touch the ground and spread germs. When you've loaded up, remove your gloves and place them in the transport packets. If sludge spills onto the road during transports, report this to your supervisor. Clean the sludge up off of the road and wash the area with Jig if possible. Do not use air conditioning or fan while traveling back from sites, as this could blow sludge particles off of your clothes and you can breathe them in.
Whew. I can't believe we went through this whole section without any back chat from this one. You know, my friend, are you tired?
Yeah, I'm tired of the smell, my sister. I just want to get out of here and go have that shower. You know, I'm used to smelling good, you know.
I'm not gonna comment on that one. I was getting used to the peace and quiet.
I'm sure you're tired too. Let's practice, then get back to the work center, and then we can wrap this up. Let's go.
Hey, can I do something?